Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video on watercolor. So today we'll paint a very simple sunset scene. So take out all your gear and follow me. First, we draw the frame. It's a rectangle. Then we divide the frame into two parts, the earth and the sky. Then we draw a tree on the right side of the frame. Don't worry, you can go wild with the tree when you paint it. Apart from the tree, we have a bench and a figure in our scene. Make sure these three elements are not placed at equal distances from each other, or else it will be a boring composition. The figure here is an old guy who lived his life happily ever after and has no expectations whatsoever. He is around 86, so carrying a stick in his hand. So that's it, we are done with the sketch. The plan here is to paint the sky with yellow and red with some dark bluish clouds over it. The tree and the foreground will be the darkest darks. And obviously our old guy, Mr. Johnson. Colors we are using today are very basic. You can use any kind of red, yellow, blue and a dark color like neutral tint, cosmic gray, black or whatever it happens to be. Brush I'm using here is Princeton Heritage Round 8. So before anything else, we'll mix a deep blue shade for the clouds that we were supposed to paint as soon as we lay down the yellow and red color. I know it sounds confusing, but you'll understand what I'm saying in a moment as you follow along, and hopefully you got the idea what we are up to. So I'll see you on the other side when you create a masterpiece. So, how did you do, guys? I hope you have created a masterpiece. Honestly, I had a great time painting this because it was so simple and beautiful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give the video a like if you really liked it. Bye bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the reveal.